Everybody, it's Crypto Steve, and I'm also going to do one more quick video tonight. And so if you see two up, the first one will be a update on Tron. Pretty decent update. Ape Dice is live, and they published their DeFi platform plan. And it's going to have a lot of tools and everything. It was a quick update because I'm trying to get it out there today because they just launched this today and it's not as polished as I want, but I got a good enough cut. I'm going to leave it. The last thing I wanted to show you, because it's also relatively new and I'm maybe a day or two behind on this one, but if you're into the Tron projects and you didn't hear about it, JustLend launched. So this is basically just following up the JustSwap platform and going to the JustSwap, from JustSwap to JustLend. And it also gives some more functionality to the Sun token from the Sun token mining that he did. So now you can do investment of your Sun tokens on here and earn return at currently 4.79%. Now that's not great. It's been going down. All of these have been going down. This used to be around 15%. Now it's 7%. This used to be 55% and now it's 27%. So a lot of people are coming to this platform and staking their tokens. Now, one of the nice things is it integrates with the Tron Link wallet. It works very easy. It's very easy to supply liquidity. All you have to do is hit the supply button. As you can see, I had 10 USDT sitting around on my account, so I went ahead and put it on here. I had my Sun tokens that I had put on the platform, so I put those in here. Unfortunately, this token is still going down in price, but I farmed these for free. I'm just kind of holding them to see what else I could do with them. And then I had a very tiny bit of Win tokens that I didn't buy them. I just had them on the account, so they were going to pay you out at 50%. So I'll just throw them on there and get a little bit more. Yeah, come on, that's a silly amount, right? 3 cents, but it doesn't cost me. It didn't really cost me anything, but I have enough energy to where I could stake all of these. It didn't cost me anything, and now I can wait and I can just watch them grow for a little while and see how the platform works. It hasn't had any problems for me. We'll go ahead and do a quick review here of the coins that you can stake to get a return. So there's TRX at 5.5%. That's actually not that great because you can get a pretty good you can get a better return than that a lot of different places. Now the borrow rate of only 2.4, that is interesting because you can borrow TRX from this pool right now and only pay 2.48% on your loan. So that's actually a pretty good rate. It's not spectacular, but it's pretty good just because of how easy it is to make a return on TRX. If you stake it and vote for the right people, you're getting back a lot more than this and more than that. So that's something that some people could look at if you're looking to maybe, instead of buying some TRX, you could provide some USDT to this pool, use it as collateral, borrow the TRX, and then stake the TRX, and you should be able to make enough coming back at you to where if you unstake it slowly, you would be able to make a little bit of profit if you look into that. You can also stake your USDT and earn 7.33%. There are some sites that are better than that. You can make more than this in the DeFi world, but not by much. I'd say anywhere from 7 to 10% is your maximum. Some sites might say they can give you more, but they're usually new and risky and don't come with a name recognition of Justin Sun. And I know not everybody trusts Justin Sun. He's known by some people as the guy that will do the announcement of an announcement of an announcement. And he's known as some people as somebody who took over Steam, did lots of bad things, but he is definitely someone that keeps pushing forward, keeps making waves in the crypto space. And if one of his sites came out to be a straight off just scam and stole people's money, it would be the end of his career. So that's why I think a lot of people trust the stuff that he's with, not necessarily to be strong and great projects, but at least not to be straight scams that are going to steal your money. They might be a scammy coin that goes down in value, but that's a different thing than a site where you lose your money. So look, this Bitcoin right here, the 7% on Bitcoin, that's pretty competitive. You're not going to see a lot better than 6 or 7%. This was at 15% when the site first launched, but that was really just for the first couple days. The Sun token at 4, and that just means that a lot more people here are willing to supply Sun than borrow Sun, and the borrow API is pretty high on that. So the one thing is, a lot of the DeFi sites let you stake Sun to get a return. So it is kind of an interesting idea that you could borrow your Sun and go and stake it to try to earn some money on a site, and then see if you can beat this earning of this. But that would be pretty tough. Then there's the Just token. This one's paying the best right now because it's probably one of the ones that is more in demand. I know the Just token is also used in a lot of staking platforms and has a lot of other utilities. So that's probably why this one's paying such a high amount, is because a lot of people want to borrow it at this 4.5%, and that's how these are going to go. USDJ is just another version of a stable coin. So this is another stable coin paying slightly better, but this one also usually costs a little bit more TRX to get than the USDT. So, you could pick whichever one of these you like if you just want to get a nice return on your stable coins. They also have Wrap BTT and Win. As you can see, altogether, they basically launched with just their tokens. There are governance features that with the Just token to where you can maybe help pick the next coins that might get put onto this platform. So that is a big deal, and probably why the Just token is in so much demand. Because if you're somebody who's a fan of a big project, to be the next coin listed right here that you can supply and be loaned out and give that coin another functionality as being listed on JustLend, well, that's going to be a big deal. So we'll have to see who gets voted into this site. It'll be something to track, and if you can figure out who's getting all the Just and who's controlling the votes, and see who's coming onto this site, it could be a big win for some of the tokens out there. So this was just a quick video just to give you a look at the JustLend platform, let you know that it's out there. There's no referrals on this platform, nothing special going on. But if you want to come and check it out and you want to take advantage of this, I thought you should know about it, and I do cover a lot of Tron stuff. So thanks everybody. Have a good day. This is Crypto Steve just saying goodbye.